Have you ever wondered what actually goes wrong inside the body when cancer starts? Many people think cancer appears suddenly, but cancer usually develops slowly over many years. Today, I want to explain how cancer develops inside the body and what causes it using simple words. What I'm sharing is based on a well known medical textbook called The Cell, a Molecular Approach, written by Geoffrey M. This textbook explains how cancer develops at the cell level and is used in medical and health educations. This video is for education only. It does not replace medical advice. Our bodies are made of trillions of tiny cells. Cells are the basic building blocks of life. Normal cells follow rules. They grow when needed. They divide when needed. They stop growing when their job is done. And when they're old or damaged, they die so new cells can take their place. Cancer begins when some cells stop following these rules. Instead of growing in a controlled way, cancer cells keep growing and dividing. They do not stop when they should. They do not die when they should. Over time, these abnormal cells build up. This buildup can form a lump called a tumor. Not all tumors are cancer. Some tumors are benign. Benign tumors stay in one place. They do not invade nearby tissue. They do not spread to other parts of the body. Cancer tumors are different. Cancer tumors are malignant. Malignant means dangerous. Malignant tumors can grow into nearby healthy tissue. Cancer cells can also break away and travel through the blood or lymph system to other parts of the body. This spread is called metastasis. This is what makes cancer serious. Cancer can start in many different types of cells. Some cancers start in cells that line organs like the skin, lung, or colon. These are called carcinoma and they are the most common type of cancer. Some cancers start in bone, muscle, or other connective tissues. These are called sarcomas. Some cancers start in blood or immune system cells. These include leukemia and lymphoma. This is why cancer is not one disease. There are many types of cancer. Even though cancers look different, they often start in a similar way. Most cancers begin from one single cell. That one cell becomes damaged. It starts dividing more than it should. Over time, more changes happen inside that cell. Cancer usually develops in steps. First, a cell becomes abnormal. Then it grows faster. Later, it becomes better at surviving. Eventually, it can invade and spread. This process can take many years. That is why cancer risk increases with age. Cells have had more time to collect damage. Now, let me explain what causes these cells changes. One cause is damage to DNA. DNA is like an instruction book inside each cell. It tells the cell when to grow, when to rest, and when to die. When DNA gets damaged, cells may not follow instruction correctly. Some things that damage DNA are called carcinogens. Carcinogens are substances or exposure that increase cancer risk. Tobacco smoke is one of the strongest carcinogens. It damages cells in the lungs and many other organs. Smoking causes most lung cancers and contributes to many other cancers. Radiation is another carcinogen. Too much sunlight can damage skin cells and lead to skin cancer. Other forms of radiation can also damage DNA. Some chemicals can damage cells. These include certain workplace chemicals, pollution, and toxins. Some infections can also cause cancer. Certain viruses can change how cells behave. These infections can increase cancer risk over time. Hormones can also play a role. Some hormones tell cells to grow. Too much hormones stimulation over time can increase cancer risk in certain tissues. Cancer cells also behave differently from normal cells. Normal cells stop growing when they touch other cells. Cancer cells ignore this signal and keep growing. Normal cells need outside signals to grow. Cancer cells often grow without these signals. Normal cells stick tightly to their neighbors. Cancer cells are often less sticky, which helps them spread. Cancer cells also avoid normal cell death. Healthy cells die when they are badly damaged. Many cancer cells do not. This allows them to survive longer than they should. Cancer cells also create their own blood supply. As a tumor grows, it sends signals to form new blood vessels. This gives the tumor oxygen and nutrient to keep growing. All of these changes happen over time. Cancer is not caused by one mistake or one bad day. It is the result of many small changes that build up. I want to say something important. Cancer is not a punishment. It is not caused by one choice. It is not a personal failure. Some risk factors can be reduced, others cannot. Learning how cancer develops helps remove blame and fear. It also explains why prevention and early detection matter so much. When cancer is found early, it is often easier to treat. Thank you for taking the time to listen today. Learning about cancer is a powerful step toward better health and understanding. You are not alone.